Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Oh my gosh, my camera got caught on the steering wheel. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new thrifting video. So another episode of Goodwill hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. We are at the OC Goodwill boutique right now, and I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. But if you guys love thrifting, love thrift hauls and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the little button to be notified when new videos go up, and I do post videos every single day. And don't forget to check out my Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting ventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store. There's supposed to be a sale this like whole weekend for box furniture, linens, and I forgot what there are like two other things. I forgot, but let's go, because I already bought a lot of furniture. Today's Sunday, and I bought like, yeah. So get ready for the furniture hauls, because it's gonna be crazy. Anyway, let's go ahead and check it out. There it is, right over there. Let's go inside. Guys, the first thing I saw here is this B. Mikowski, but it's pretty stained, so I think I'm gonna pass on it. I'm actually excited for them to take out the Halloween stuff, because they can put the handbags back out, because the handbag section was taken over by the Halloween stuff. So, but I don't really see too many handbags at the moment. Their selection is pretty sparse. Let's see what we have up here. A lot of like Target bags, broken bags, imitation bags. What is this, like this Claiborne? No, Isaac, Mizrahi. No. Okay, let's check out the rest of the store. Oh, they have some cool art pieces. Don't think this counts as box furniture though, unfortunately. Oh, this carpet is kind of pretty. Oh, this one's fun too. Like the pinks. There's not very much box furniture though, unfortunately. This is kind of fun. Kind of like a floor, like seat thing. Floor cushion to sit on. Alright, let's see what we... Are these for shoes? Two shelf bookcase, stacked bar stool. Oh, this coffee table is pretty nice. $30 for that. Ooh, an air fryer, New Wave. Hey, this is the one that I got. As seen on TV. How much is this guy? This is $50. I did find this, a Jurassic Park movie. Some chairs right here. There's an Instant Pot. How much is this guy going for? Going for $80. Alright, one of my favorite sections. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, they're 222 Oh, look at this. I love anything marble. Okay, so unfortunately that was a little pricey. Oh, there's this, but I think I have one of these already. And I think it's missing a lid. Oh, this is pretty nice. I know this is from Target too, but I wonder how much they have it priced at. Guys, this piece is so cool, but it's like chipped underneath, and I just checked. Alright, Anthropology. I think this is not Anthropology. Mr. Coffee. They do have an assortment of mugs under here. Check it. We got Gemma Orkin for West Elm. Is that how you pronounce it? Look how pretty that is. There's also that one too. I wonder if there's any more. Look how pretty this plate is. I wish there were more. I just found an Anthropology piece. I'm very excited. I wonder if there's any more. I think I found some more. Oh, these are really on there, but so close to being anthropology. They do kind of match though, huh? More of these really pretty bowls, but if I could find dinner plates, I'd probably get the whole collection. That'd be so pretty. Oh my gosh, my inner grandma is singing for these. You guys, I just found some lettuce pieces to add to the collection. I think these are the same makers as my plates, so I'm very excited. Look at this backpack. I think backpacks are half off right now. Should I get this? How cute is this Hershey's Kiss thing? $2.99. I'm liking I think there's like vases and random tchotchkes. Oh my gosh, these are cool. I feel like everyone used to have those inside their houses back in the day. Ooh, this is kind of cute. Okay, check it out, it's West Elm, and it's $2.99. So I think this is gonna be a definite yes. It's so cute. It's so like modern. I love the bird too. Is it crazy that I already want to start decorating for like literally every season? That's so hard. This is like container is kind of interesting. But I wanted to see this little house thing. What is this? Oh, it's broken. That's what it is. This is cool. Oh, it's heavy. Home Goods, $6.99 for this guy. Check out this tray. This is from Home Goods. Pretty cute. Very summery. Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh, this is Bombay. I love looking through these sections, see what like little things they have. These are interesting too. They're like plastic. I think you put like candles in there. Check, I don't know if these are leaves or like onions or something, but they're 99 cents each and they're crate and barrel. But it's like little, they're so cute. Like I wouldn't know what to do with them though. Like, well actually I do know what I would do with them. Probably use them for like some sort of like dipping sauce type thing, or I don't know. I've been loving little plates recently. I don't know what's happening to me. I'm like going crazy over here with plates and stuff. These are really nice black bowls. You guys, look how gorgeous this Z Gallery bowl is. It's chipped right there though, unfortunately, but it's $5.99. You guys, I found the dinner plates. Jars, canteen dinner plates. They're actually from William Sonoma. Suggested price $119, our price $95.96. And I don't know how many like plates this is for. But yeah, they're gorgeous. Does it tell me how many they're for? Because this 16-piece set right here is for $342. Salad plates. These are so oh, set of 4. Okay, set of 4. Set of 4? Oh my gosh, single 26. These are so expensive. Okay, so while going on that search for the plates, I found these Williams Sonoma plates, and I also found this Murano piece, which is really pretty and very like a spring color aesthetic, which I love. I literally only found one of the salad plates, and I found 7 bowls, but I do have 8 dinner plates, so I'm happy about that. I don't know if I'll get the salad. Maybe I'll just get it just to get it, and then maybe I can eventually find the other pieces. Don't know, but I scoured this section like 50 times, but to no avail, alas. But it's cool that I found this. I really like those plates. I've been looking at them at Anthropology, and I was like, these look so Anthropology. Then I looked up the name and they popped up. So that was really cool. Alright guys, I got some awesome goodies that I can't wait to share with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when the new videos do go up, because the haul for this is gonna be quite epic. I think I got some really awesome stuff. And don't forget to check out this morning or this afternoon's vlog, and it'll be up soon. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all